Have you heard of portmanteau words? You might not be familiar with the term portmanteau, but we are actually using it. A portmanteau is a word formed by blending at least two different words. And the new word combines both the sounds and meanings of the originals. To form a portmanteau word, usually the first segment of one word is attached to the final segment of another word. Some portmanteau words are formed in other ways too, like combining the initial segments of two different words. Now let's look at some examples. For instance, the word brunch. Brunch is a portmanteau word formed from the words breakfast and lunch. Advertorial is a portmanteau word formed from the words advertisement and editorial. Similarly, smog is formed from smog and fog. Webinar is formed from web and seminar. You can find out more such words. Hope this video is useful for you. For more tips, follow Tiju's Academy. Urappana Vijayam.